H5P.org is a web-based program used to create interactive games, videos, and tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to create a hotspot tutorial in H5P and show the finished product. The first thing you'll do is go to My Account and select Try Out H5P, and then go to Image Hotspots. There are tutorials here, and there are examples of the projects right here. So the first thing you'll do is enter your title, and then add an image. You need to make sure it's less than 16 megabytes or it won't upload. You can also add a predefined icon, or you can upload an image. We are going to go with predefined icon. And these are your options. And then here you can pick your hotspot color. Then you just look at your image and then you'll click where you need to have a hotspot. We'll click right here and tell what this spot on the page is for and what it does. And you can select here what you would like to add. We will add text. What we'd like to say. If we wanted to add another hotspot, you would do the same thing. Just click Add Hotspot and do the same thing again. Now to save it, you'll just click Save right here. To view the finished projects, click My Account, go to H5P Hotspot Tutorial, and this is what the finished project looks like. This is where you find the embed code to put in your website. I have shown you how to create a hotspot tutorial in H5P.org.